Hello, my name is John Wicks here at North Trail RV, and I'm going to be taking you through the 2020 Newmar Essex. Starting along the outside of the coach, you'll see that the Essex has a new paint job this year that offers some more paint fades, multiple paint fades throughout the coach, really making the exterior pop this year. In the basement, you'll find the standard goods, a 100-pound fridge freezer, all power slide trays accessible from either side of the coach, a large 43-inch all Samsung TVs this year, 4K smart TVs with full Bose Bluetoothable soundbar. This particular Essex is riding on the Freightliner SL chassis. It's a 54,000-pound GVW chassis, which is the largest that Newmar coaches run on. The coach has a 20,000-pound front axle with 365 steer tires, and the rear tag axle is a passive tag axle that actually steers up to 12 degrees passively. Walking around the back side of the coach, the Essex is powered by a 605 horsepower, 15-liter Cummins motor. Comes equipped with a 20,000-pound tow hitch. All rear marker lights, tail lights are all LED. Like all Newmar bath and a half coaches, floor plans, there is a egress door in the back bathroom that allows another escape opportunity in case of an emergency. The dump bay, you'll see that the Essex offers a full mana block system. The mana block system allows you to turn off separate zones throughout the coach if you were to encounter a leak. It also maintains proper pressure and temperature through the different zones of the coach. This Essex was ordered with a Santicon macerator system. This is a turbo system, which uses actually a 2-inch hose for a much faster discharge for your waste tank emptying, and a 50-foot, 50-amp power cord reel. The new generation HWH 3-step entrance step has had some new wiring features, more hidden wires, and now also added lights on either side on all 3 of the steps as you go up into the coach. Also new for 2020 is a new decorative grab handle. This 2020 Essex is a 45-33 floor plan. It is a full wall slide bath and a half floor plan that offers a curbside, patio side dinette. The particular wood in this coach is a pearl glazed maple. This is all hand glazed. One specific worker at Newmar factory actually hand glazes every piece of this wood, so it's the same consistency throughout. Some changes in the appliances this year along with the electronics. As I mentioned outside, the TVs this year are all Samsung TVs, 4K, all smart TVs throughout the entire coach, full Bose sound bars. The furniture in the Essex this year is still Villa furniture. Ultra leather used is the top grade ultra leather available. And they've also accompanied new wall sconces throughout the entire coach. Some of the electronics enhancements in the coach is the KIB touchpads now are touchscreens. All your shades, your lighting, and control is all found on each individual touchpad, giving you a lot more areas throughout the coach to operate the shades and to operate the lighting, and actually most all the lighting in the coach now is dimmable. Another electronic change is in the Silverleaf, mainly in the appearance and the size of the screen. The screen has enlarged along with the push buttons have also been enlarged for easier use. Like all the Newmar Essex floor plans, this floor plan offers a full king-size bed, 72 by 80, along with a full window in the headboard, allowing a lot more light throughout the coach and a decorative look also. Moving to the back bathroom in the master bath, you'll see that there is new fixtures for the showers, along with the hand spray. Also, you will see the 2-piece washer dryer, as I discussed, is now a 2-piece matching Splendide set. The Essex dryer is a 220 dryer, and you can see the floor plan offers dual vanities, backlit mirrors, and plenty of power outlets for the bathroom. Freightliner chassis has a whole new steering wheel. They've actually integrated the shifter onto the column, allowing you to change from drive, neutral, and reverse without even taking your eyes off the wheel. The dash is still a illuminating glass dash and offers you the dual 10-inch Excite monitors, giving you full audio, video control, but also gives you your full 360 camera system. The Essex also comes standard with multiple settings. Each setting sets your steering wheel, sets your seat, and it sets your mirrors for 3 different driver settings. The OnGuard collision avoidance system has become a standard for the 2020 Essex. The OnGuard system is an active collision avoidance system. My name is John Wicks here at North Trail RV. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.